Confused and angry, an elderly man in a morgue in South Africa. Led away from the premises after he was found alive in the mortician's fridge. Workers thought he had died the day before. Local politician Jack Bloom has followed the case and is shocked by the news.
Well, it's appalling that it has happened, that there might be other cases, and I think the problem is there has to be a properly signed off death certificate by a medical professional. Obviously that didn't happen in the circumstances, and I think we need to find out why. You know, it's hugely disturbing that if this guy had been buried earlier, he might well have ended up dying in a coffin 6 feet underground, which is a terrible thought.
The unnamed man began screaming after he awoke locked in the fridge. His family asked the morgue to collect his body after they could not wake him. Staff had checked for a pulse before storing what they thought was a dead body. The man has now returned home after his ordeal.